Are you looking for the best girls ballet flats? We've got these right here. Figured I'd show them off to you guys today, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy on up and see what we got here. We got a bag in a bag. If y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking that out for me right there. So the nice drawstring bag, if you need to bring these with you somewhere, be a great way to carry them around. You got that paper all over it so it doesn't get scuffed up in shipping, which is always nice. And then this right here is your ballet flat. Looks very comfortable because it's got this nice big padding right here on the middle of it. You can see how my fingers press down into there. And you also have lots of great traction on the bottom of the shoe right there as well. So it should add for some good grip. Let's test that out. Got a little bit of a slide in there, but honestly, if you're doing like ballet with these things, you know, you're dancing around and whatnot, usually you want to have a little bit of slippage to it as well. It's got a nice little bow right there on the front. Of course, you have the stitching going all the way around here because that has a little bit of elasticity to it so that you can easily get your foot right on into there. It does have an elastic strap on the inside there as well, so it'll hold on to the foot nice and it won't come slipping off as you have them on. And then of course you got the little nougat in the back here to help kind of pull it up. But these look fantastic. I don't see like any little weird hairs sticking out or anything like that. All the sewing looks very nice and tight, especially on the inside right there where I was showing y'all earlier. So this is what the other one looks like right here. We've found Dream Pair shoes to be very true to size as well. So whatever size you normally wear in shoes, definitely go to the product listing below and they'll have all the different options that you can choose from on there. That way you guys can go and get the right size that's going to be the perfect for you. I believe that they also make it in different colors as well. So obviously these are the black ones right here, but if you're looking for, I think there was like a whole line of other colors. So you guys can go and get the one that's going to be the best for the outfit that you're using it for. But y'all definitely go and grab y'all some of these if this is something that you're looking for. And y'all let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that over right there. Definitely appreciate you guys hooking that up for us. Y'all go and add this to your cart if this is something that you want. And thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I can show it off to y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and Dad out.